In this video, we'll guide you through the steps for physicians to register on the Medicas app. First, open the Medicas app, select your country, and enter your phone number. Click Next to request a 4-digit verification code. Enter the 4-digit verification code received on your mobile and click Verify Number. If you are a doctor or healthcare professional who offers medical or clinical or healthcare services to patients and customers, select Doctor to continue registering. Select your category from the drop-down menu, Doctor Registration or Healthcare Professional. Select Doctor Registration. If you are a medical doctor like a cardiologist, general physician, psychiatrist, nephrologist, etc., select Healthcare Professional. If you are a psychologist, yoga or fitness expert, physiotherapist, dietitian, etc., fill in your first, last, and email address in the appropriate fields. Enter your PIN code. The city and state will populate automatically. Click Submit to express your interest in joining. You'll see a notification that your account activation is in progress. You will receive an email from info@medicasapp.com regarding this registration and the documents to submit for verification. Please reply to the email and submit the required documents. After we receive your documents, our team will complete the due diligence process and you will be notified via email and also a call from your dedicated account manager. Thank you.